So in terms of CRM particularly, I suppose, what are common problems people come to you with that you then go and solve?
A lot of it's just sometimes it's minor little things. Forgotten passwords, quite a common one, nice easy one. So they're all day long. I'll be happy with that. But it can be anything from, say, forgotten password, integrations with like Microsoft Outlook, for example. Again, it could be it's a technical issue that doesn't want to function. It could be people just forgetting the web address for their system, right down to the complex issues of people deleting data. So one of the things we can always do is we can always restore data back. We've got backups running every night. We can get those records back that have been accidentally deleted, as it were, and restore those back to the database. And so we kind of back all that data up to the cloud, so it's all nice and secure, and ready, available when everybody runs into those kind of problems.